Hey guys and girls, welcome back to the channel today. Today I'm going to be doing a quick review on the RYOBI Miter Saws stand, model RMS 10G. I got this at Home Depot. I'm kind of excited. I've been just using a table and moving my miter box saw around and you know, setting it up on sawhorses. But a lot of times I don't have anyone to help me hold really long lumber when I'm cutting it with my miter saw, so I needed this stand, and I think this is going to solve my problems and you know, let me be able to continue doing projects where I don't have someone to help me, so that I can you know, do them alone. Anyway, so let's move on and get this thing open and take a look at it. Lay it down flat here, cut the straps off of it. Guys, I got this thing about 2 weeks ago, and the weather's been so bad I haven't been able to unbox it and take a look and actually use it. So today we're actually going to do the unboxing and a review all in one. Looks like it comes with some part of the stand. These are some stand extensions here. Here's our universal pieces that you attach to the bottom of your miter saw, and that allows it to attach to the frame. It's packed pretty good. Just taking all the parts out here so that you can see. Looks like I got a bag of nuts and bolts here, and a knob, and let's see, have some other pieces. Adjustment knobs. Looks like there's quite a few here. So one of the neat features is this has like a little push button. You pull it and then it locks itself into place. That's really neat. I'm going to do the other side here. You guys, look, I'm nearly 6 foot, and this stand looks like the perfect height. So let's get that part done. Now that you can see it, I'm gonna go get my saw, and we'll go from there. Okay guys, I got the stand all put together here. I wanted to show you a couple of things. When you're mounting your saw to the stand itself, you might think that normally you would lift it and connect it from the back and come forward, but that's not how it's designed. You actually hook the brackets in the front and then hold them in place and just push down on the back. It puts them on the frame. Then you can take these handles, push down on them one at a time. That locks your saw into place. It's not going anywhere. Couple of things that I want to let you know. The stand itself is about 42 pounds, so it's really heavy duty. It's not flimsy. The extension arms, you know, you have the little quick adjustments on it. These will extend out to 7 foot total length. I was going to show you real quick. I have a 10 foot 2x4, and as you can see, it easily accommodates that, and you can adjust your extensions in and out depending on the length of the lumber that you're going to be cutting. This is a 12-inch miter saw. The saw itself probably weighs, 25 pounds or so, but it easily is able to hold, and it's very sturdy, so it's not going anywhere. I don't think anybody would have any problems using this. And the key, or one of the reasons I bought this particular stand is I shopped around. I looked at a lot of different stands. Some of the stands are $200 or $300. But the amazing thing about this particular RYOBI stand is I paid $59 for it at Home Depot. Granted, that was on sale. I think the normal price was about $100. I got this after Christmas. Like I said, I've only had it a couple of weeks, but $59, I just couldn't turn it down. I'm really impressed. I wasn't really expecting the quality to be as good as it actually is. The arms slide in and out very easily, so the adjustment's easy on it. RYOBI, I have a lot of RYOBI tools, and one of the big reasons that I do is RYOBI has a standard 3-year warranty on all their stuff. I've had to actually use their customer service and their warranty. Man, they do a great job. So I feel very comfortable that if anything were to break or need a part to replace on this stand, I would have no issues getting it through RYOBI. Anyway, so here's what the stand looks like. Like I said, it was a $59 stand. I'm fixing to start a new project where I'm actually going to use it and cut some lumber. If you like this video and it was helpful, with the coronavirus and all of us having to be staying at home with the kids and stuff, maybe now's a good time to watch a YouTube video, stay at home, do an at-home project, maybe involve the kids with you. Anyway, this is my project, and one of my grandchildren are help videotaping, so I'm utilizing them being home for spring break and being out of school. So again, thank you for watching. Thank you for you coming back to the channel. Without you, we don't have a channel. So please make sure if you have any questions, you put them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. I'll see you next time.